How to make paper a dal gacha. What I made today is a honey library sauce submitted by fans. Drawings in the previous note. Babies in need take pictures together. In my spare time, I use a 1.5mm hole punch here. The size of the two corner nails used together is 3 and the remaining 6mm. Take some excess white cardboard or plastic seals. After punching holes, cut them into small squares for later use. We're going to take a stud. The two corner nails may be a little loose. Here we flatten it with the tip of the pen. It will be very tight. Use after the quick drying glue is installed in the dropper. It can prevent too much glue from overflowing after pasting. Babies without two-legged nails don't have to worry. Here, after cutting as shown in the homemade salty video, we will oppose opposite ends, folds up and down respectively. I used a 6mm hole punch here. It is convenient to wear homemade to foot nails, baby without hole punch. You can also poke it with scissors or a knife. The effect of handling joint movement in this way is not bad. After all the joints are connected, we can get a cocoa-loving Miko sauce. Detailed blinking tutorials are on the Idol homepage. Babies who don't know yet can find it by themselves. Next time you want to watch leisurely, which character's Paper Man? Remember to post. See you next time. Bye. Current investment in remote exploration. Good arrangement. Before, Bowsy said to Simi Chenjian, make paper people. It is also arranged here. Drawings have been sent synchronously. The babies who need it will pick it up by themselves. I will try my best to update the submission next. Okay, let's do it yourselves. Bloody Nazi Ladette. Stunning Orlando. Uncle My Hobby. Clark and My Dog. Which one wants a grandma? Okay, see you next time. Bye. The significance of raising OC. What is the bottom? But for OC mom, I think raising OC is a very, very happy thing. Maybe many people don't understand. Why does OC mom invest so much time, experience, relationships, and even money? It's a creative disease. Because OC is more than just a character. It is the carrier of every OC mother's dream. It's a reflection of the mind. Create a powerful, popular, or unique OC. Is every OC person satisfy the ideal? OC, self-exploration through OC. Acquire those desires that are not expressed in reality. Even healing oneself through creation. Find identity. They entrust their emotions to OC. Through OC. OC mom shares her own OC. I also appreciate other people's OC. A group of like-minded people. They encourage each other, grow together. So, how could this be a pointless thing? This is obviously, it's a warm and profound self-rush. So please don't say it again. Strong interest in OC and time commitment. It's a pointless obsession.